Alright guys, so that Airbnb was, I think the only thing good about it was the fact that the bed was clean, at least appeared and felt clean, but whatchamacallit, and soft, comfortable. Other than that, yeah, as soon as we pulled up, I hope I got it on camera, as soon as we pulled up, there's drug dealers out there. Okay, I know drug dealers when I see them. I'm from Detroit, so okay, they got that going on. Then we got what was it? As soon as we walk into the house, it reeks of weed. I was like, okay, and a bunch of chemicals trying to mask the weed. Okay. Then the house is a little warm. Okay, we turn the AC down, and they got one of those Nest things. And of course, somewhere in the middle of the night, they changed it back up to 79 degrees. Like, come on, man. If you're gonna have other people staying at your house, I understand not letting them put the shit down to 70 or below, but 79 degrees, come on. Anyways, got a decent sleep. We're on our way to get something to eat, and then we're going to be hitting the tail of the dragon today. Can't wait. Hope that stop sign wasn't for us. Very active neighborhood on a Sunday morning. I love you so much. What is it? Change gears. And rode through the neighborhood a little bit, man. It's roads around here are nice and twisty, kind of like what you're seeing. Be the change you want to see. Got a nice little creek river right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get something to eat, some small little cafe place. I'll see you guys there. Well guys, looks like my microphone adapter crapped out on me, so as you'll see in the rest of the videos. But anyways, we're just coming up into the mountains now, north of Atlanta, so should be heading our way to the tail of the dragon. So you guys stick around, enjoy the scenery, and come back to the tail of the dragon. Alright? camera kind of died on me yesterday. I ran out of battery, so I couldn't give you much. So I wanted to. We're in basically we're in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Just got done doing the tail of the dragon. Should be ending up in Virginia Beach today. And right now we're heading to Greensboro, North Carolina. I think I'm going too fast, yeah. Anyways, the hotel we stayed in was real nice. Real nice, probably the better one so far. Had a nice, I don't know if you want to call it a creek, but it was flowing real good. Sat back there, had me and a girlfriend, enjoyed a nice cigar, a couple drinks, and they actually had a bar here that was open and served you at the bar. Man, I missed that. That was good. But it was cool, man. The mountains up here, man. I wish my camera wasn't dead. You can see some of the people living in the mountains. You see a couple of the house lights on. Well, anyways, we're heading out, probably grab something to eat, and then keep on rolling. I hope they're open. Well, that's cool. Always got done at Smoky Harley Davidson and Winston-Salem, North Carolina. We are on to the next one, which I believe is I don't remember the name, but you'll see when we get there. Adios. Oh, there it is. Riding high. Alright. Riding high. Let's see what they got going on here. Hey, it's the same guys from the last place. They're from Ohio. Oh, what's happening? Down home, Harley Davidson. Are they open? Guess they don't open till tomorrow. Oh, and then the next one, what was it? Raging Bull. They are open today. So 30 minutes, babe. Raging Bull. Raging Bull. Alright, we're leaving Tobacco Roads, Harley Davidson. Whoa. There you go, guys. We got rained on or something like that and wasn't able to film us making it to Virginia Beach. So I put the camera away, keeping it from getting wet. But anyways, we made it there, got my chip at the Virginia Beach Harley Davidson, and we found an Airbnb for the night. This one turned out way better than the previous night. So the couple was actually there. Older couple, really great couple. Got chatting with them for most of the night. So we had a good night's rest. Got up and started making our way south down the Atlantic coast. So if you guys stay tuned, you'll be able to see that. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Adios.